Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your Instagram account from a simple social platform into a true premium branding powerhouse that generates income. If you watch this video until the end, you'll fully understand Instagram branding strategies that even beginners can apply right away. Plus, I have bonus tips prepared for you at the end, so don't miss out. By the way, if you want to speed up your Instagram branding journey, make sure to check the link in the video description. First, let's talk about why Instagram branding is so important. Right now, millions of new accounts are being created. To stand out and grab attention, you need more than random photo uploads. You need a consistent brand image. It's not just about growing your follower count, it's about becoming memorable. When you establish your brand, selling anything later becomes much easier because you've built trust. Now, step 1, optimize your profile. The first thing people notice is your profile, and you have just 3 seconds to catch their attention. Your profile picture must be clean, bright, and clearly show your face. If you're running a brand account, using a logo is fine, but ensure the resolution is high. Your bio must be short and impactful. Clearly express who you are, what you offer, and what value you provide. For example, self-made entrepreneur, helping you build passive income streams. Start today. Step 2, set your username and handle properly. Ideally, include your name or brand and make it easy to remember. Avoid overly complicated usernames or excessive symbols. People prefer simplicity when searching and remembering. Step 3, unify your feed style. This is where many people make mistakes. Don't just post random photos in random ways. Maintain consistent colors, tones, and styles. For example, stick to a warm beige tone, a clean white background, or consistently apply a specific filter. This creates a polished, professional look that impresses visitors. Step 4, plan your content. If you want to grow your followers, you can't just post personal daily updates. You need to offer valuable information. Post niche-specific tips, how-to guides, motivational posts, customer testimonials, and more in a structured way. Captions are important too. Instead of saying, "Feeling good today," engage your audience with questions or calls to action like, "What time-saving hacks do you use?" Share in the comments. Step 5, manage your highlights. Instagram story highlights are like a mini homepage for your brand. Showcase your services, products, testimonials, and personal stories here, so people can quickly understand who you are. Keep the cover designs consistent and clean. Step 6, posting schedule. No matter how good your content is, if you're inconsistent, it won't matter. Post at least 3 times a week. If that's tough, batch create your content on Sundays and schedule it. Consistency builds trust, and trust drives sales. Step 7, engage with your audience. Instagram isn't a one-way street. Reply to comments and DMs sincerely. When people feel they're connecting with a real person, loyalty deepens. Also, actively leave likes and comments on others' accounts. You'll naturally draw traffic back to your own profile. Step 8, share your brand story. Don't just sell products. Talk about why your brand exists and what values you pursue. For example, "I'm not just about making money, I want to help people reclaim their time and freedom." People react more to stories than to products. That's the foundation. Now, let's move into some advanced strategies. Step 9, reposting and collaborations. Share other people's content or create collaborative posts. This way, you naturally expose your account to each other's audiences. Collaborating with accounts targeting a similar audience is especially powerful. Step 10, rebranding timing. You don't need to be perfect from the start. Adjust as you go. Review your account every 3 to 6 months and update your profile, feed style, and content direction if needed. Stay flexible, Instagram evolves fast. Step 11, analyze your data. Use Instagram Insights to see which posts perform well and what times get the most engagement. Base your strategy on data, not just intuition. Step 12, monetization. Once you've grown your account, you can monetize through digital products, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and more. Focus on building loyal followers rather than just numbers. Opportunities will follow naturally. Quick reminder, if you want to supercharge your Instagram branding, click the description link. A practical guide is ready for you. Finally, here's an extra tip. Don't wait for perfection to start. The biggest mistake people make is delaying action while chasing perfection. Start now and improve along the way. Instagram is a place of continuous growth and evolution. In summary profile optimization, unified feed style, strategic content planning, consistent communication, storytelling, data-driven adjustments, and flexible rebranding are the keys to success. Apply these step by step, and you'll transform your account into a true brand that generates incomes. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you found today's video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. More Instagram and digital marketing tips are coming soon. See you in the next video.